Today's video is going to be super exciting, especially if you love 1-minute strategies on pocket option. I'm sharing a powerful and easy-to-use strategy that combines the Fractal Indicator with a moving average crossover. And trust me, this combo works like magic when used correctly. Wondering how to use it? Don't skip a second, because I'll walk you through exactly how this strategy works, the best settings for both indicators, and a live trading demo so you can see how it performs step by step. But first, a quick heads up. Risk warning: binary options trading involves financial risk. There's no guarantee of profits, and you could lose money. Past results do not guarantee future success. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. And hey, if you enjoy strategies like this and want more free tips, don't forget to subscribe, tap that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from this channel. Your support keeps me going. All right, let's break down how this strategy works using the fractal and moving average crossover. This setup is beginner-friendly, fast, and gives clear buy-sell signals. Perfect for those who want quick trades with confidence. Let's get started. For a buy trade, the white fast SMA crosses above the red slow SMA. At the same time, a red fractal appears below the candle. That's your signal. Place a buy trade. For a sell trade, the white fast SMA crosses below the red slow SMA. A green fractal appears above the candle. That's your signal. Place a sell trade. Time frame and expiry. Set your chart time frame to 30 seconds. Set your trade expiry to 1 minute. This timing gives quick and clear results. Perfect for fast binary trading. Always trade on currency pairs with high payout percentages. These change during the day, so keep an eye out and switch pairs when needed for better profits. And most importantly, practice first on a demo account. It's the best way to build confidence before using real money. Now that you understand the strategy, let's jump into the live trading session and see some real trades in action. Let's go. All right, traders, take a look at this setup on the chart. According to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade opportunity. Why? A green fractal has appeared above the candle, and at the same time, the fast white SMA is about to cross below the slow red SMA. This confirms a strong bearish signal, which means the price is likely to go down. So, I've placed the sell trade with a 1-minute expiry. Now let's stay calm and wait for the result. We've won this trade. That's the power of using simple rules with clear signals. No confusion, no guesswork, just a clean entry and profit. Let's keep going and look for our next trade setup using the same strategy. The more examples you see, the more confident you'll feel while using it on your own. Stay with me. The next one is coming up. All right, traders, here comes another great setup. According to our strategy, this is a perfect buy trade setup. Let me explain why. A red fractal has appeared below the turning point candle, and the fast white SMA is just about to cross above the slow red SMA. This tells us the price is ready to push upward, but there's something even better about this setup. The market is currently in an uptrend, and we're taking a buy trade, which means we're trading with the trend, not against it. And remember, trading with the trend often gives stronger and more reliable results. So I've placed the buy trade with a 1-minute expiry, and now, just like before, we'll wait and see how it performs. Looking good so far. The candle is pushing upward, and it's moving just the way we expected. And there we go, another winning trade. This setup was clean, simple, and right in line with the trend. That's exactly the kind of trade we want to look for again and again. Now traders, take a look at this setup on the screen. At first look, it might look like a perfect sell trade based on our strategy. A green fractal has appeared above the candle, and the fast white SMA is about to cross below the slow red SMA. This fits our rules, right? But there's something important I want you to notice. Look at that big bearish candle just before the signal. Large candles like this often indicate a sudden price move. And many times after such a move, the momentum doesn't continue. In fact, these types of candles can confuse the trend and cause the price to reverse or slow down, which makes the setup less reliable. So, ideally, we should avoid trading when we see these large impulsive candles just before our signal. I've taken this trade only to show you what can happen if we ignore this detail, and as expected, we've lost this trade. But hey, this is also a valuable lesson. Even when our indicators give the right signals, we must look at the overall price behavior and candle patterns before entering. It's better to skip a risky trade than to enter blindly and lose. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the exact indicator settings, because using the correct setup is key to making this strategy work smoothly. Add 3 indicators to your chart: fractal and 2 simple moving averages. Fractal settings: set the period to 3. First moving average, fast SMA. Set period to 3. Choose a white color for better visibility. Increase the line thickness so it stands out clearly on the chart. Second moving average, slow SMA. Set period to 7. Use a different color than the fast SMA, something like red or blue, so you can easily spot the crossover. With this setup in place, you'll get clean and accurate signals that align perfectly with the strategy we used during today's live trades. This strategy is simple, effective, and beginner-friendly, but only if you practice and stay disciplined. Always follow the rules, avoid trades after big candles, and never skip using a demo account before going live. If you found this video helpful, then do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, tap the notification bell,